Mix water and white vinegar in a ratio of 3:1 and pour into the tank until max marked. After the machine is powered on, long press the brew button until entering the descaling mode. The blue light of the descale indicator is steady on. The machine pumps about 14 ounces of water by default in one round and heating. After about 2 minutes, the heating is completed and the brewing starts. One round takes about 4 minutes. After discarding the descaling solution in the container, continue the second round of descaling as the preceding steps. You can long press the brew button to stop descaling. Repeat the above steps for the third round of descaling. In one round, if the remaining solution in the tank is less than 14 ounces, add water before pumping as soon as possible. After the descaling is completed, it is necessary to clean the residual descaling solution inside the machine with water. Clean and fill the tank with clean water. Long press the brew button until entering the descaling mode. The machine starts pumping. After about 2 minutes, the heating is completed and brewing starts. Repeat the step 3 times to empty the water tank. Turn off and unplug the machine, dry, and put the parts back after cleaning. Thanks for watching the instructional video of Coffee Maker CM37-9.